Is your Cadillac XT5 dropping your Apple CarPlay connection mid-drive? Let's look at the most reliable fixes. Statistically, most of these connection drops are caused by simple cable degradation or minor software sync issues. Before we replace expensive hardware, we need to systematically rule out the easy culprits. Start by swapping to a certified cable and ensuring your phone port is completely free of debris. If the hardware is fine, look at your software, specifically checking for pending Q system or iOS updates. Sometimes active VPNs or background power-saving modes on your iPhone can kill the handshake with the head unit. If these simple steps fail, you might be looking at a physical port replacement, which requires a professional. Most fixes are free or cheap, while replacing the physical USB module at a dealership can climb over $200. For advanced users, a hard reset of the Q system by disconnecting the vehicle battery often clears persistent errors. Keep a basic tool kit in the car, as these three items usually resolve 90% of infotainment connection issues. Remember, the simplest solution is usually the right one. Don't tear apart your dashboard until you've tried a fresh cable. If these steps fixed your connection, let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more XT5 repairs.